Computer science is a complicated discipline. Is that really so? Computer science is all about coding. No, 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 no. Good day, everyone. Welcome to Rabbi Innovations channel, your number one stop by channel for everything tech. So we're good to have you around once again. You're welcome. So after the last video I did, the website review of a particular wedding website, many people reached out to me in a DM and said, Rabbi Innovations, we need your real voice. We need to hear your real voice. We need you to put your face out there and all that. And that's why we're here. So we're here now. Take some few minutes to hit the subscribe button, like, and comment. You can also share with your friends. In this video, I'll be speaking about 7 myths or lies that we have been told. 7 misconceptions we'll be told about IT or computer science field. There are 3 categories of people that need to hear this. If you fall within these 3 categories, yeah, this video is just for you. Number 1 are the set of people that are at the verge of making a decision about their course of study in a tertiary institution. Yeah, you need this video to help you and guide you. Number 2 are the set of people that are already in the system. They're already an undergraduate in a tertiary institution and are feeling, can I make it? Can I make it in this field? Do I really have what it takes? And all that. Then the third set of people are those people that are at the verge of making critical decisions in their career as regards to IT. Come with me, let's go into this in details. The first myth I'll be talking about is the fact that many people believe that, or it has been said to many people that computer science is a complicated discipline. Is that really so? Like every other discipline, like every other courses, computer science requires your commitment, your seriousness, and your dedication. I would rather say that the field is a vast field instead of saying that it is complicated. It is very important that as you dive into it, you choose the particular aspect you want to go into and get better in it. Because if you don't have a particular aspect in mind, you may just end up touching many things and not becoming a master in one. So it's better from the very start, from the very beginning, to choose out, carve out a particular aspect that you would like to major on and then work on it very perfectly. So I mean, it's not a complicated field. It's about what aspect especially would you like to venture into in the computer science, and then you're good to go. Number 2 myth we've been told is that computer science is all about coding. No, 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 no. There are many aspects of computer science, of IT. There are many aspects of it. Coding is just one aspect of it. There's the cyber security, there's the data analysis, there's computer graphics. There are many other aspects you can go into. So, should in case you're afraid of coding and you feel, I can't code. Coding is not my thing and all that. So just calm down. There are many other aspects of IT you can venture into. It is all you need to do is to find out that aspect that would be very suitable for you. Then begin to build yourself in that line. I believe that everybody in this age needs to be IT inclined. The third line we were told is that you need to be super good in mathematics to be an IT guy, to be a programmer. Not necessarily. Let me ask you, did you need to be super good? Did you need to be a genius in probably in mathematics in in college, in secondary school just to pass? Not necessarily. All you need to know are the basic stuffs that makes for this and that. And once you know the basic stuffs, then I think you're good to go. You don't necessarily need, and of course, I know that there are aspects of programming, the aspect of IT, the aspect of the computer science that needs a lot of mathematics. But then I believe before you start, all you need is the basic. Once you have the basic understanding, you're good to go. Let that not discourage you. Just get into it. The fourth lie we were told, I think I'll be majoring on this. The fourth lie we were told is that only geeks, only nerds, only scientists can program. That is, the IT field is an exclusive reserve of nerds, geeks. I mean, those people feel that they have a high IQ. Not necessarily, not necessarily. In fact, I believe that many people that delve into the IT field are not, maybe they do not necessarily even have the scientific background as you think. As I told you earlier on, it has to do with, first of all, picking out a particular aspect. Now, you need to know that there are a lot of resources that are littered everywhere on the internet about that aspect that you want to go into, that you want to dive into. There are many resources. All you need to do is find out the relevant resources for that aspect, and you need to begin to, study them and practice. Not just study, but practice. Yeah, because it is very important that as you see, you do. That's how you become better in it. You do not just necessarily just, okay, I read this, I read this. You need to do. Yes, you need to do. Maybe I'll be making a dedicated video for roadmaps to learning some of the aspects of IT field. But then you need to do to become, especially in the IT field. For instance, when I started programming, most of the things I do in the IT field now, I do not necessarily learn from a school or something. No, all I needed was to go check the internet, pick relevant materials, then I began to study them, and that was how I started website development in 2017, in 2016. Yeah, I went, I picked up, there was this resource that was my go-to resource. That's W3 school. And I picked it, I kept working on it, practicing, working on it, practicing, reading, practicing. Um, Fast forward to late or early 2017, I was in 200 level as at the moment. And guess what? I was already building a full project for a final year student in 400 level. And I used it. So, not necessarily because I was a nerd or a genius, but because, oh, okay, I picked the relevant material that were needed to build myself in this particular field, and I began to work on it. I didn't just read, I was working, I was practicing. As I was reading, I was practicing, reading and practicing, reading and practicing. That was how I got into it. So you don't necessarily need to be a nerd. No. You don't necessarily need to be a geek. No. You don't necessarily need to be a scientist. No. All you need to do is, have you carved out the aspect of IT you want to go into, get relevant materials and begin to build yourself in that aspect. Don't forget, you need constant practice. As the saying goes, practice makes perfection. The next lie we were told is that computer science or the IT field is exclusively for men. No, no. In fact, I know many females that we started together in the IT field. And they are doing very well. In fact, if you're a female and you're into the IT field, people will most likely patronize you more because many other females shy away from it. So they believe for you to be able to go into it, then it's a plus for you. It's a plus for you. So whether you're a man or a woman, that's not a limitation. As I said earlier on, carve out an aspect, then you need to go. You need to take away this stronghold from your mind that because you are a lady, you can't delve into the IT field. No, no. In fact, the IT field is waiting for you as a lady. The sixth lie we were told, or misconception, um, is that there's not much demand for IT in the job market. Really, really. Maybe you need to do your research. You would know that one of the most lucrative aspects, field is the IT field, and of course, I believe that every company needs at least something about IT. So, it's one of the field that is very lucrative and would always be needed in high demand. So, once you, of course, get the aspect of IT you want to get into, and you get best in whatever you are doing, you're a hot cake. Many of the gigs I got was because I did a job for somebody and I did it perfectly well. And this person referred me to this person. And that was how the connection kept going and going and going and going and going. So there are a lot of jobs waiting for you in the IT field. You need to know that. Just all you need to do is make sure you are the best. Make sure you get the best in whatever you're doing, and you're good to go. The last myth or misconception online I'll be talking about is the fact that many people believe that you need to have studied computer science, probably in the tertiary institution, to break out in the tech field. No, 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 no. In fact, many of the top tech people um, that you know today didn't necessarily study IT or study computer science. In fact, many of them even dropouts. So it's not a limitation if you studied any other thing and you still have the interest for the IT field. No, 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 it's not. There's no limitation. All you need to do, you will notice I've been saying this repeatedly in this video. Choose out an aspect because the IT field is very vast. Okay, pick an aspect. Okay, I want to go into website development. Like I am into. Okay, I want to go into website development. I need to begin to get resources on website development. Whether I have the certificate of computer science or not, that's not a determining factor. So all you need to do is pick the relevant resources, begin to learn, get better in it. Then when you get versed in whatever you are doing, you will notice that even those that had the certificate, uh, in quote, would come to you for the same solution. Why? Because you have built yourself in that aspect and you become indomitable in that field. So, I mean, with this little discussion, you would understand that you have no limitation. The only limitation is the fact that you're not ready to start. Once you're ready to start, pick an aspect, get best in it, and you will see that the sky is your starting point. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. Also, very soon I'll be making more website review on some of the works I've made so far. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Thank you.